First referee, Mr. Boy Garcia, international referee. Second referee, Mr. Leo Miranda, national referee. Let's hear the starters from the Soul Five. Number 3, opposite, Wasab. And number 2, their team captain, Andrew Runes. Now, let's hear the starters from the St. Josephson Baseline Lady Blockers. Number 8, team captain, Ken Samar. Number 4, Sam Valeras. Number 2, Julian Balayo. Number 11, Bueno. And number 10, John Vince Lamayo. Don't support him.
Mali yung pangalan ni Denzel.
First shot goes to Zone 5.
Ano ba yun, Shane?
Hawakan mo yan.
Of John Getley.
Kasabi ko agad yan.
Wala ka mo.
Iyak ka lang. Hindi, ganyan ka lang, Steve. Hawak mo yan.
First attack point for the safe player of Zone 5. 2-1. Oops. There was second violation. Medyo iniiwasan kasi yung mga kasama part ng court dyan. So shoutout sa mga PWH. Ian. Almost racial, but there were a violation by the center, John Vince Malayo. Masyadong nakapitan yung bola. Michael, serving. Malayo, huli ka na. Wow, may group na. Sweet girl lang yung tweaker para okay. Kendra, nandun para depensa ng bola ni Ian. Another chance for Sopal. Ian again. Ball is still alive. Ian for the third time. This time able to find a hole at the back area of St. Joseph 10 pace 1. 3-4 in favor of Soul 5. Short service. Good survey number 11. Oh, server up back line. It was an overreaching violation. Change favor. 5-4. Medyo nagkakataan ng ballgames ngayon. At nagkamitan pa ng mga diskarte. Wala ka pa masyadong nakikita. Bomba. All time. But there were no people to get that second ball. So service 8 for Soul 5. Look again, against the demon roller Soul 5. Ball is still alive. Sinet kay Carl. Tingnan mo lamang at hindi lang mapupunta sa kanila. Let's see who will be right here. And it's Carl. The 7 was too low. And Carl didn't able to adjust and that set also. So do you think partner who wants to Service made by Ian Lerios, also known as
Sinong pound?
Pauline Luna.
Saka ano din? Sino yung lalaki? Kanina yan, isa lalaki.
Right, gagawa ng paraan, pero didn't able to get that ball over to the other side of the court.
Ay lang, galing ko. Kaya ko. Ano ba yung side ko?
Shayla, masyadong mataas yung set. Lack of connection there from Shayla to the striker number 1 Rivas. Pero their team is in a 3-point advantage. This time Taylor set to Andrew. The ball is still alive. Nice defense. Shayla good goal. What a 1-2 play by the setter. Miss Malu from South Korea. Malung Mong Hatsil. Good service by number 1. 5 next time. Still struggling on his attack. 11-6.
Sabihin ko na sana, inold up mo yung cellphone ko eh.
One, two, play. Well read by Andrew. You see over now, Andrew begins our strong five. Andrew! 2-9 was not enough. Even Kendra could not contain the power of that attack. 6-12.
Uy, hindi lamang sila.
Ima, short service. That's no first low time. Shayla just Michael. Nice block. Overset. That's still alive. Andrew again. Andrew probably the stare down. Oh, this time. Finally getting his first point. Another one wasted opportunity after getting that point. Binawin din. 13-7.
Nakakainis kayo.
The guest players also serving the ball. Gagantihan ka ngayon ng 1-2 play ng third St. Joseph 10.
Mangang yan? Ayoko.
Ang ibang si Jenkins. Malayo. Now, ayun na naman po, same story. After getting a point, they're sucking their momentum by a service error. So, it was an expensive error.
Ayaw mo rin.
Malayo, this is getting from the right pin. But the set was too close to the net. 15-8 while at the score. Andrew, targeting Rupa. Kendra, gagawa na naman ng paraan. Andrew. And this time, Michael. Touching the net.
Mas malayo sa akin. Kapit na pang sabi. Sobra, very, very layo sa inyo.
Ian. Nice block there by Rupa. 1-on-1 against Ian Lewis. 10-15. Michael.
Kailangan yan.
Nice adjustment, nice attack there by Ken Sata. 11-15. Nice serve by number 4. Ian. This time targeting the back line.
Over, guys. Uy, si ano?
16-11.
Tinatawanan ako.
Boxer, Kendra. Kanina na nag-aablas. Oh! 1-on-1. 17-11.
Yung pala si Martin.
Kendra against Ian. 18-11. A killing spree for Ian Lerios of Soul 5. What a comeback for this young lady. The comeback game. Oh, services. Time out. Staying just a 10 minutes. Let's hear. Michael. Masyadong magmadali sa service na yun. Akala nila, makakaisa siya. Akala nila. Kendra. Yet again! Unstoppable on this set. I'm so happy to see this young girl getting back to the volleyball court. 21-12. Hard. Ito si Andrew. Pero masyadong malakas.
Wait.
Hey! 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 Number 11. Martin Michael. Ian again against the three-man wall. That is still not enough to stop Ian Lerios. Warning 13. Now he's in the back, but Andrew Nunes is in the front. Dalayo. Kumar. Nahilo yung nag-block. Hindi niya alam kung saan napunta ang bola. Miss Malu once here. From South Korea. Sinat sa back. Easy over. Michael. Kinukuha na ng momentum niya din for this set. 3-15 ang ating official score. It's still not over. Shengwa. Kinete Andrew. Masyado naman ipapaw sa mga blockers. How did you able to stop that attack? Set point for their team. Repass. Nice receive by Rupa Carl. First set goes to Soul 5.